Hi, I'm Matthew. Welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to do an interesting shave. But first, I must wet my face. I know what you're thinking. What in the world? It's Thursday. Maybe I should start a new series called just that. Today's shave is going to be brought to you by Phoenix Artisan Accoutrements. Thank you, Doug and Fran, for sending me this soap. And if you guys have watched the series or the movie Doctor Who, this may be familiar to you. Ooh, that's a pretty good little line. This scent, if you're into kind of that vintage classic scent, this will be right up your alley. And this, I have never smelled this, but this is a homage or a bring back to the Yardley Black. And I'll put a little picture right here of that. I do have it whipped up in my Crown King Scuttle. And this thing is nice and warm. Oh, yes. Using my black Trotter's Handcraft brush, but you know, before I get lathered up, I noticed something right here. And that kind of reminded me I should use my cube today. So I'm going to get it here off the shelf, and it always sticks to my little dock there. Let's go ahead and apply a little cube to the face. I need a little menthol. Menthol and some warm shave soap, or lather, I should say. All right, so I got that applied. Let's go ahead and look. Would you look at that? Look at this. Look at it. Ooh, that's got the Subi shake to it. You know what I'm saying? The little jiggle wiggle. Oh yeah, Subi, if you're watching, I stole your saying. Oh wow, you know, I'm not a big fan of some of the old school powdery scents, but you know what? This scent, once it has the dry down, because I've shaved with this several times since I've got it, because I just let out a bloop. But anyway, I wanted to get the feel for the scent and kind of get my nose on top of it. Now, my nose is not real keen like some of the other guys here, but I just let out another blooper. My wife is going to kill me. I'll have to put that up. I'm going to be using the GameChanger 0.84 razor, and I know in my last video I made a mistake and said the 6.8, and I don't know why, but I'm going to be using a new Permasharp blade. I was kind of going through my box of blades, and several people had mentioned this blade, and I do have a list of blades that I've used, and I kind of thought, you know what, I need to give it another spin. And if I don't like it, got the Gillette Silver Blue on standby. Here's the blade. Nice little glue tabs on both sides. But yes, so anyway, this soap, as I load the razor, I'm going to talk a little bit instead of just you staring at my face while I'm not doing anything and talking. I try to utilize my time as wisely as possible. But anyway, I've got the blade loaded up. I'm going to warm the razor up here in some water. And so anyway, if you guys have ever heard of the Yardley of London, that would be really familiar to our UK and UE friends. And I need some sugar, I think. My blood sugar's dropping down. But anyway, the guys and gals that are over there are probably really familiar with this scent. I was never lucky enough to have tried or smelled this scent previously, but as I was saying, the more I use this soap and splash, I really became to enjoy that scent. Like I said, sometimes if you just smell right off of the puck, don't always let that be your initial judgment on it. Because the nose is a very delicate thing. And if you're wondering what the scent is on this, I will tell you. It is a clary sage. That's one of the notes in there. And then there's some spice notes, some sandalwood, vanilla, and there's another scent that I'm thinking. Did I mention powder? A powdery scent, and then there's also some patchouli in there. And for whatever reason, right off the puck, my nose picks up the powdery scent. And I'm not really a big powdery, you know, as far as like barbershops and stuff, if that's the main note that sticks out and dries forever, it's not really for me. But like I said, on this particular scent, you know, the dry down on it is very nice. That powdery scent, it's still there, but it's not, you know, real heavy. And so it comes into me with that kind of powdery, or not powdery, but the spicy, kind of warm scent, but it's clean, and I really enjoy that. I'm doing a little different attack today on my shave technique. Going right for the jugular. I normally don't shave the neck right away. So comment below and let me know, have you guys watched Doctor Who? Let me know what you think of that show. I'm not going to talk too much about it and ruin it in case you haven't seen that show. Very interesting if you're into that kind of criteria, or whatever you want to say, the theme. All right, looks like my shave is over. The GameChanger did nicely with that blade. I don't chase the baby butt smooth because I don't need any kind of shaving irritation. But I'm going to get cleaned up with some cold water, and I'll be right back. Did I mention that the company Yardley of London is a very well-known company that has been around for quite some time, and some people will actually argue that it is one of the oldest companies out there. I can't really say for sure because I've never used any of their shaving products, but I have used some of their bar soaps, and so I will say that those are nice. I'm going to throw on a little bit of Star Jelly here. That scent is definitely a nostalgic, kind of gentlemanly scent, and I would say very classic. If you're into the 50s and 60s style scent, this, it's for you. So I'm going to put a little picture right here of everything I used, and I will see you on the next shave video. You guys have a great rest of your week.